Today we will do question number 7 of exercise 6.5. Find the perimeter of the rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and a diagonal is 41 centimeter. So student, first of all we draw the diagram. Right angle whose length is greater than breadth. So this is our diagram, rectangle A, B, C, D. And when these two corners meet, this is our diagonal. This is our diagonal A, C. Now length, this AB is the length. Length is given 40 centimeter and diagonal is given 41 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means outer boundary of the rectangle. For outer boundary, we need this side also. So, in a rectangle, all angles are of 90 degree. All angles, corner angles are of 90 degree. So, we take triangle A, B, C. Right angle at B. So we can write our AB is equal to 40 centimeter and AC is equal to 41 centimeter. And student, you know that angle opposite to 90 degree. Our 90 degree is at B. So side opposite to 90 degree is our hypotenuse. So it means AC is our hypotenuse and BC is our perpendicular. So this is our perpendicular, this is our base, and this side AC is our hypotenuse. As we know that in triangle, in right triangle ABC, right means one angle is 90 degree. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Our AC is hypotenuse, AB is base and BC is perpendicular. So we put the values. 41 square is equal to 40 square plus BC square. When we take this side on this side, sign will be changed. So our BC square is equal to 41 square minus 40 square. 41 square is equal to 1681 and 40 square is 1600. You can multiply also. 41 multiply 41. So, when we subtract these two numbers, our answer is 81. As we know that 9 nines are 81, so we can write BC square is 9 whole square. Square can be cut. So, BC is equal to 9 centimeter. Now, what is the perimeter? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B is equal to 2 into what is length? 40. What is breadth? 9. So, 2 multiply 49 centimeter. Our answer is 98 centimeter. This is our answer.